I do find it a rather cruel joke that the older I get and less time I have left, the more time I must waste just waiting. When I was younger, I had a busy and exciting life. I hosted dinner parties. I had a bustling career. I spent my summers at the beach with my family. Until nothing was enforced upon me. Now I'd give anything to do anything. Now my kidney disease is getting worse and worse. My husband takes me to all of my doctor's appointments and my visits to the dialysis clinic. Dialysis has taken over my life. I go to the clinic 3 times a week, and each appointment takes hours. Kidney disease and dialysis visits are exhausting. But I try to perk up, smile, fake it for my husband's sake. But some days I wonder, what really is the point? So many joys in life I've had to give up. I can't travel anymore. There are so many foods I can't eat because I have to watch my potassium. My dinner parties are a thing of the past. I try not to dwell on what could have been if we had understood the signs earlier, especially since now I'm meant to be keeping an eye on my heart as well. Instead, I must focus on living one more day for mine and my husband's sake, and look for the right support and guidance to get me through it.